Fundamentals of Compressible Flow is authored by eminent author Professor M Yahya and is published by one of the leading publishers, New Age International Publishers. This latest multicolour edition of the book is intended for the undergraduate and postgraduate students of engineering. The book is recommended by various IITs, NITs and other top engineering colleges and universities. This is one of our best-selling books on fundamentals of compressible flow. Professor M Yahya was the head of Mechanical Engineering Department in IIT Delhi. He has also served as the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University. A renowned educationist and author, Professor Yahya has authored a number of books including Gas Tables for Compressible Flow Calculations published by New Age International. Buy this latest edition for your golden future.